So let us first understand the meaning of plug and play tool design, the definition of it. So plug and play tool design means tools that can be added, removed, or replaced without changing core agent logic. So plug and play tool design means in such design, tools can be very easily added, removed, or even replaced without changing the core agent logic. So tools addable, removable, or replaceable without changing the core agent logic. So plug and play tool design is a design principle which lets us to add a new tool, remove a existing tool, or replace a existing tool without even touching the core agent logic. So the agent should not need to know the inner workings of a tool to use it effectively. So in plug and play tool design, agent does not need inner working knowledge of the tools. Agent only needs to know how to snap it into place. Only how to snap it in place, like building blocks. So plug and play tool design, this design principle is like tools should be very easily pluggable to the agent, wherein agents are completely unaware about the tool's internal workings. Agent should just know that, okay, what that tool can do, how to call it, and what response an agent can expect. Only that information agent needs to know. And in plug and play tool design principle, tools should be very easily be able to add, remove, or replace without changing the core agent logic. So this is the plug and play tool design in agentic AI systems.